Let's put it to the test. ALTOCRAFT 20 volt drill. This is a medium duty drill. These are all the things that it comes with it. You get a 20 volt lithium battery, you get a charger, you get wood bits, you get metal bits, you get an extension, you get this long extension which is also flexible, and then you get drill bits. The choke, it's a 3/8 choke, so it will fit one of these drill bits, but it will not fit the 1/2 inch. This is the 1/4 drill bit for the wood. We'll put it into the drill mode and let's see. No problem. One more hole. There is no different torques on it. It only has one type of a torque, but it's pretty fast and it drills pretty fast. So you could clearly feel the lithium power. This is a high amperage 20 volt. What about metal? So the choke, it's pretty easy to remove the drill bits. So that works pretty good. The drill bits are maybe not the best ones out there. Remove the drill bit out, so I didn't have it tight enough. You could grab it like this and you could get it tight like this. Doesn't have a key, or you could just do it in your hand. So you could take it off and make sure you put it deep enough inside, and that should allow you to drill again. Another attachment is this little extender. You could put the bit in it. This is the bit that came with it. Let's see if it's going to drive a used screw. Yeah, it's pretty good. And the bit is strong enough so it didn't bend or cause any issues. So it's actually pretty strong. For a medium use drill, it's very, very good. The battery lasts for quite a while before you have to charge it again. It's lithium ion, so it will last you 7 years. Also it has an LED light here in the front, so you can see what you're doing. There it is. The charger is decent. It's just a quick connect to the battery and has an indicator on it when it's charging and when it's full. Comes with a manual, comes with this little extender. So basically pretty much that you want, it's in the box. For a guy that wants to hang a picture on the wall or install a door in the house, this is perfect.